Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your landing pages using Unbounce for SEO conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Unbounce account. Select the landing page you want to update. Ensure you have your target keywords ready for SEO optimization. Click on the Edit button to enter the page builder. Examine the heading of your landing page. Incorporate your primary keyword into the heading. Make sure your heading is clear and engaging. Next, check the subheading for keyword placement. Add relevant keywords to the subheading to enhance SEO. Move on to the body text of your landing page. Ensure the main keyword appears naturally within the content. Aim for a keyword density between 1 to 2%. Use synonym keywords or related phrases to support your main keyword. Look for opportunities to add alt text to images. Describe the images using relevant keywords in the alt text. Next, check your meta title and meta description. Update them by including your primary keyword. Ensure the meta description is compelling for increased click-through rates. Now, review the call to action sections of your page. Ensure they are clear, actionable, and relevant to the content. Consider adding a secondary call to action to enhance conversions. Next, focus on the URL structure of the landing page. Make sure the URL is short, descriptive, and contains your main keyword. Review the layout of your landing page for user experience. Ensure it is mobile responsive and visually appealing. Consider using A/B testing to determine which versions perform better. Now, optimize the loading speed of your landing page. Compress images and minimize scripts to improve performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.